guys, Jason Trott here from the Motorcycle Shop again. We've got a 2008 Honda 750 Shadow here. We just got in for sale. It's a V-twin, shaft drive, great little kind of mid-sized cruiser to get into. Still plenty of power to get on the highway, travel around the back roads of the hill country and that. Now this particular one's got a set of Austin Hwy exhaust pipes on it, so it has a bit more of a bark to it. This has also got just over 21,000 miles on it. You've got the nice classic spoke wheels, the bigger, droopier fenders on it. This one we've got on sale for $29.95.
It was inspected, so they had to bring you